Are you looking to spruce up your outdoor space with some gorgeous screening plants? Well, you're in luck because today we're diving into the wonderful world of screening plants. Whether you're looking to create a beautiful border, add some flair to a corner, or create a lush hedge, we've got you covered. Let's talk about border plants. These beauties are perfect for framing your garden beds, adding definition to pathways, or creating separation between different areas of your yard. One fantastic option is the boxwood. With its dense foliage and compact growth habit, it's a classic choice for creating a tidy border that adds a touch of elegance to any landscape. We have the Nandina. This versatile plant not only offers privacy, but also brings stunning color to your garden with its evergreen foliage that turns fiery red in the fall. It's sure to be a showstopper in any border planting. Let's move on to corner plants. Corners are often overlooked when it comes to landscaping, but they provide the perfect opportunity to add interest and dimension to your outdoor space. One fantastic option for a corner plant is the emerald green arbor vitae. With its vibrant green foliage and columnar shape, it's an excellent choice for adding structure and privacy to any corner of your yard. Another great option for corner planting is the heavenly bamboo. Despite its name, this plant is not actually a bamboo, but rather a member of the barberry family. With its delicate foliage and vibrant berries, it adds a touch of exotic beauty to any corner planting. Last but not least, let's talk about hedge plants. Hedges are fantastic for creating privacy, blocking out unwanted views, and even reducing noise pollution. One of the most popular choices for a hedge is the leyland cypress. With its rapid growth rate and dense foliage, it forms a thick, impenetrable barrier that's perfect for creating a sense of seclusion in your outdoor space. Another excellent option for a hedge is the privet. With its glossy green leaves and fast growth rate, it's a favorite among gardeners looking to create a traditional, formal hedge. Plus, it's incredibly easy to trim and maintain, making it a low-maintenance option for any landscape. So there you have it, folks. Whether you're looking to create a stunning border, add interest to a corner, or create a lush hedge, there are plenty of fantastic screening plants to choose from. So go ahead, get out there and transform your outdoor space into a beautiful oasis with these 20+ screening plants. Happy gardening!